treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacking that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean Nation, dance with me. Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the Mega Gau? We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party.
Who's ready? Who is ready to party? Let's go!
And silver is the key. Crustacean Nation, dance with me.
Woo!
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils.
Seskin Gonzalez, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. I might have an extra case for that mask if you need it. Email me. Who's ready? Who is ready?
Get your claws up in the sky.
Let's go!
International stacker, he's our guide.
Let's go!
Gold and silver
Come on!
is the key.
Everyone get ready. Smash that like. Here we go.
Dance with me.
Here we go. Let's go.
Dance with me. Dance with me.
Who's ready?
Dance with
Who is ready?
Dance with me.
One stacker on a to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker, and I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, and walking in the room right now is Mrs. International Stacker with her world-famous Mrs. IS coffee. Let me take a sip. Wow, it's delicious. Where are you at in the world? Where are you at in the United States? And what are you sipping on this morning? Let me know in the chat. I'm in Key West sipping on Mrs. International Stacker coffee. Where are you at and what are you sipping on? And ladies and gentlemen, we are in for an explosive trading day. I'm going to go over that in a second, but the name is International Stacker. I travel the world on gold and silver adventures with y'all by my side, helping to direct that. And what do I mean when I say helping to direct that? Right here, I'm about to show you a short clip where you guys told me on a live stream to ride a camel.
So take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just him here.
And then Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. Edgar. Oh, wow, look at the three pyramids, guys.
That's right. You guys told me to ride the camel, and I rode it. And today we're covering the market open on the COMEX, and it's going to be wild. We've got a video premiere coming out today right after this live stream. It is epic. Silver shortage 2025, physical gone forever, premiums to explode. So we're going to go directly into that video after this live stream. And if you haven't watched the Goldback video, Monster Gold Stack Ultimate Stacker Mystery Box of the Year, check that out. It's doing horribly, only 1,600 views. So please click it, watch it, and let it play all the way through because that tells the algorithm it's worth it to put it out to other people. We've got about 70 people in the chat, but only 28 likes. Please smash that like button. And are you ready for some major meganess in the gold and silver market? What happened is on the weekend, we closed right at about 50. It was somewhere right here, right about 50. But in the after hours last night, remember the market opens at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. We had this rise up to a top of about $50.40. This morning, it broke down until right now, 46 minutes till market open. We are sitting at $50.24. Sorry, I got something in my throat. We are in a we're out of backwardation. Excuse me. We're in Contango. So the futures is 50.56. The spot price is 50.23. We'll see if this holds today. If this holds today, that means the squeeze is getting tighter and we could see some explosive action up to the north. But before we go any further, let me see where you guys are at in the world and what you are sipping on. Let me catch up in chat here. Where? Here we go. We've got Twisted Tennessee in East Tennessee. We've got John sipping on coffee. We got Joe saying, bro's got a wife. Bro, you're doing good. Yeah, Mrs. IS is awesome. Blessing for sure. Roadkill, and she's into gold and silver, guys. She loves stacking. Roadkill saying, I'm in Rhode Island drinking a big cup of coffee with a little bit of cinnamon in it. That is awesome. I bought some eggnog, guys. We're not even in December, and I got eggnog already. If you like eggnog, put a 1 in chat. If you think it's disgusting and an abomination, put 2. We've got Twisted Tennessee, who is in Tennessee, is sipping on Mountain Dew this morning. We got Alex in South Carolina sipping a cappuccino. We got Ron Spencer in Tampa sipping a coffee. And shout out to Alex and Twisted for being channel members. Thank you for the support. We got Ces Gonzalez in New York sipping Spanish coffee. Ces Gonzalez, email me internationalstacker@gmail.com. I might have an extra case for that Guy Fawkes Max you just picked up, so email me. I'm not sure if it's the same one, but if so, we can work something out for you there. We've got Rotor, and Cess is a channel member. Thank you so much. We got Rotor still sleeping on the West Coast. We've got Richard saying hi from Alabama. We've got everybody here enjoying their time. We got people sipping coffee. Is anyone sipping alcohol? Are you anywhere else in the world sipping on alcohol? Are you a big banker sipping straight whiskey? Because this price can't be kept down with silver. And you guys all know the big banks have been charged billions of dollars in fines for market manipulation, but you can only hold back the Crustacean Nation for so long. So we are in wild times. Sounds like that coffee with spikes, says West Texas Stacker. That's funny. We've got Michael in Missouri sipping on morning espresso. Guys, earlier we had another creator in the chat. His name is Adam. Check him out. He throws knives. And he was tuning in from Poland. So that's pretty cool. I'm drinking instant no-name coffee with warm tap water. It's still better than gel, says Joe. Well, that's awesome, Joe. Do not go there. Back in Illinois, sipping on coffee. Wish I was still in Florida, says AG Astronaut. Okay, we've got mixed reaction. We got some people that love eggnog. Some people think it's an abomination. Some somewhere in the middle. While another channel member, X Rizzo, is in California sipping on water. Welcome everybody to the chat. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, I am so close to 40,000 subscribers. We are at 39,954 subscribers. Only 46 more subscribers until we hit the 40,000. So thank you so much. We got about 80 people in, 36 likes. If we could get 14 more likes and get to 50, that would be mega. As we are just, what is this, 33 minutes away? 40. No, wait, it's, hold up, 17, 20, 30, 13 minutes away. 13 minutes away from market open, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember, the COMEX is open 24 hours a day. It opens Monday morning, Sunday evening. It starts trading again at 6 p.m. Closes Friday at 5 p.m. But the official day trading hours are 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They take a break from 5 to 6 for about 45 minutes or so. And then the evenings, you have the influences from the Asian markets, the LBMA, and all that. So we are going, but the official start to the trading day, the normal trading hours are just in 12 minutes, which puts us at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Woo! Thank you, Joe. You rule as well. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Only 8 more likes to 50. I think we could do it. And I did want to shout someone out this morning. I wanted to shout out the Fat Ginger. Said, let's start this biznatch with the $1.99 super chat. Thank you so much, the Fat Ginger. And the Fat Ginger is actually one of the winners of the Mega Gau. Oh my gosh, you guys, Mega Gau. So the big bar was claimed. Car Photography, someone who we all know, won it. So congratulations to Car Photography. That was claimed. A pinger was claimed, but what went unclaimed was 2 mega bags. And here shortly, I'm going to open these up and show you guys what I'm going to give away to you guys on a future live stream. Not today, but I'm going to give away these 2 on a future live stream. Oh, let me pull this out. You guys, we are not in the war room. The war room is for channel members only. Sorry about that. But I'm going to open these in a little bit and show you guys what I'm going to be giving away that went unclaimed in the Mega Gau. And I'll say it's mega. As Ron Spencer is saying, skip 40K subs, shoot for 50K. Let's go, Ron. I'm with you. Let's go. But we are so dangerously close. And if you guys share the stream, share videos, like videos, comment, subscribe, all that helps. As we're just 8 minutes away from market open, and we are pushing higher, guys. On a green candle, $50.28 for silver. Also on a green candle, $4,081. And we blew past my first 2 targets in gold. We just took out the first 2 targets in gold, so that is mega. Let's do this real quick. Okay. Let's throw a target here. And let's quickly throw a target here. Those are our next 2 targets in gold. Let's see what we could do as we're climbing towards 4,100 in gold. In silver, where are my targets? Let's pull a couple of these bad boys down from up here. You guys, we're in some explosive times for silver and gold. I truly believe it. And I've got some stuff I'm going to be going over here shortly. But there's our next 2 targets for silver. Let's see what we could do. Ladies and gentlemen, put a 1 in chat if you think in the first 5 minutes of the market, the 5-minute candle, we're going to end on a green candle, this one. And put a 2 in chat if you think we'll end on a red. So right at 13:30 UTC, which is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, for the first 5-minute candle from 8:30 to 8:35, put a 1 if you think it will be a green, 2 if you think it will be a red. Silver Rocks Mega saying shotgun. Good to see you, shotgun. Woo! Welcome everybody to the stream. We are shaping up for an explosive open. And remember, at the end of today's stream, we're going to go to the premiere of Silver Shortage 2025, Physical Gone Forever, Premiums to Explode. You guys, I'm showing you guys information, make an important case in this video. Please watch it all the way through. It's got information you need to know. And if you want to watch another video, check out the video from the other day, Monster Gold Stack, Ultimate Stacker Mystery Box of the Year. This thing's worth $42,000, so make sure to watch that as well, as we are just 9 minutes away from the market open. Are you guys ready? Oh, Joe, the candles are the price action. So each candle represents 5 minutes of trading. If the 5 minutes of trading ended going up, it's green. If the 5 minutes of trading ended red, it means the price is going down in that 5 minute segment. So you see, these are all 5 minute segments. So that's what that is. Morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Please like it. We got one away from 50 likes, $50.27 for silver on a red candle, but gold is 4,083. And why do my things keep... Okay, there they are. I'm like, why are my levels? Why are my targets disappearing? And ladies and gentlemen, we are about to take out the next target in gold. Let's see if we could do it here together, live. Let's see what is going on. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what we can do here. As my streaming music is hating me. What's going on here? What is going on here? 1 second here. My stream music is not wanting to play, guys. Let's go here. There we go. Let's go here. There we go. Music fixed. As we are raging towards that next target with gold. Are you guys ready for this? We are just 7 minutes away from market open. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in for a wild ride. Smashy McSmasherson is trying to come in on silver. We'll see what happens there. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so we got Haza Carney saying SLV is growing exactly at the moment when physical inventories are disappearing. And JP Morgan has just shifted part of the SLV from New York into the London vault for the first time in a decade. That move tightens the most stressed market even further, shrinking the last pockets of free float silver and pushing the system closer to the point where paper tricks simply stops working. And you guys, what free float silver means is the silver in the vaults in the LBMA, which is London Bullion Market, COMEX, Shanghai Gold Exchange. A lot of it is assigned. It can't be moved. It can't be sent for delivery. It's reserved. The free float is the silver that can actually be delivered. So what happens is if you buy into a market and there's no more free float, bad things happen that can affect all of this. And I go over that in this video here this morning in depth. So it's coming after this market open. We will go there, but that is epic. And you guys follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, at INTL Stacker, to keep update on information. VBL Ghost is saying why COMEX gold data, remember COMEX is the United States, no longer looks trustworthy. COMEX gold open interest revisions have surged to levels that defy normal electronic clearing behavior. Come and check out that chart and what he's saying. The old presenter is saying silver moonshot in quarter 2026, but could launch earlier. Paper traders do not want to be holding or shorting paper if undeclared LBMA delivery defaults go public. And guys, my video is on exactly this morning. You're going to want to watch it. We've also got Bay saying this morning the real-time silver price of has shown a positive basis difference with spot silver price at $50.03 and silver at the Shoe Bay at $51.79. And VBL Ghost is saying LBMA needs silver. China is making silver unavailable. Turkey is taking delivery of exceedingly high amounts. Guys, look at this. This is Turkey, their silver imports. Look at this. Buckle up as we are just 4 minutes away from market open. And ladies and gentlemen, things are going to get frosty. I see Barbara in the chat. Barbara is another winner of the Mega Gau. Congratulations, Barbara. Barbara is another winner. Oh, and if you guys have not claimed your 1/2 Goldback, if you've claimed it, if you've put your address in at the link I provided, you are good to go. But if you have not done that and you don't know what I'm talking about, email me quickly at internationalstacker@gmail.com. That's internationalstacker@gmail.com to claim your 1/2 Goldback. This is your last chance. You only had a week to do that, but I'm trying to clean up anyone today that missed it. So make sure you claim your 1/2 Goldback. Email me at internationalstacker at gmail.com. And guys, please smash that like button and get ready. Market opens just in 4 minutes. Franny, it's just mini games in chat. It's for fun. It gets you nothing. You earn claws. It's a digital currency that buys you nothing. However, during the Mega Gau, I did award the person with the most claws, the most time on stream, which was Sublime Mad Dog. He won 2 ounces of extremely fine premium silver. Also, too, guys, my coin scope did ship this morning, so I'll have that new in the setup, and I'll be able to show you guys live coins. Like, right now when I show you coins, and guys, check this beauty out. Big shout out to Germania Mint. This is in pre-order right now, but they let me get a sneak peek on this since it is modeled after Mrs. International Stacker, you're going to say. But this is part of their Witchcraft series. It is called the Herbalist, and I really love Germania Mint, and they've sent me many coins over the years to give to you guys. One of you literally won a number 5 complete set of their mythical Yogg's Drill 4, so that was awesome. So this is a brand new coin coming out, Witchcraft series, Herbalist, check it out. And ladies and gentlemen, 2 mega bags went unclaimed in the Mega Gau. We're going to open these in a little bit. I'm going to show you guys what's inside there. We're going to give them away again. Got to claim when you win, right? As we are just 2 minutes away from market open, silver on a green candle of 50.22 and gold on a green candle of 40.80, raging towards our next target here at 4,082. And silver's acting like it's trying to go for our next target of $50.33. Will we make it? I am from Turkey, says Hali 1900, because gold is expensive now. There's a shift to silver in Turkey. Wow, thank you for that, my friend. Thank you for that intelligence on the ground. That is awesome. When will it be released? I think like a couple weeks, Sess. I think a couple weeks is coming out. I'd have to look. Just got back on, says Joe. Good to see you again, Joe. Guys, Mrs. International Stacker Coffee is coming soon. I know you guys are demanding it. It's coming soon as we are 1 minute. 1 minute from market open. Crab your battle stations. Crab your battle stations. We are on a pre-market green candle, and we're going to take another vote here in 45 seconds as we are about to open this thing and see what we can do today. And the Crafty Stacker is in the chat saying hello, sipping on coffee. Good to see you. Thanks. I collect Germania Mint. Yeah, I like Germania Mint stuff. I like it a lot, and I love the runes. I just ordered 2 new runes, the red ones. Look at that. I love that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so close. 20 seconds away from market open. What can we do here? Let's see what happens. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and count us down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And ladies and gentlemen, the trading day has opened on silver for in the next 5 minutes. We are in 5-minute candles. Do you think this candle is going to be green at the end of 5 minutes, or do you think it's going to be red? Put a 1 in chat if you think it's going to be green. I think it's going to be green, and I think we might take out our next target of $50.33. If you think it's going to be red and you want to buy more silver cheaper today and tomorrow, put a 2 in chat. And gold is pushing higher again, looking at taking out our next target here at 4,082. Okay, do you guys want me to go over some tweets with important information for you guys on silver price action? Or do you want to take a quick sidetrack, go on the camera, and I'll show you what's in the mega bags that I'm going to be giving away? So put a 3 in chat if you want to go over some more important technical analysis information for silver right now, or put a 4 in chat if you want to see what's in the mega bags I'm giving away to you guys. Let's see what you guys want to do. Woo! I just took a sip of Mrs. International Stacker coffee, and it gets better with each sip. Okay. We're going to go into some more analysis here. Okay. We've got Mothership or Mother Silver Ape. If silver spot drops on Monday, don't worry about it. We don't buy silver to sell it next week. We save in silver to save real and essential wealth. That's right, guys. Like, if you stack for the long term like I do, I don't worry about little market pullbacks and these different things, right? I just keep pushing. I keep stacking. I just bought more. I bought more silver over the weekend. I bought 17 ounces, I believe. Grandmaster of Stocks expecting a good up move in silver. I think you're supposed to say move up. Expecting a good up move. Okay. Expecting a good up move in silver on Monday and Tuesday. That's today. My target by Tuesday is $52 an ounce in silver. Current is $49.90. Well, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing it. Let's see. Let's see if we can go back over it. We just nearly took out that first target. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, we're doing it with gold and silver. I'm calling it. Ladies and gentlemen, we just took out our next target in gold. Alert. We just took out our next target in gold, and we are going higher. I am setting a new target in gold here. And we did it in silver. We did it in silver. Okay, I'm going to call that target done, and we're going to push him to here. And then we're going to push him to here. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes. Rashad, one of our favorite technical analysts, is saying, I do not think gold is going to go up without forming a false breakout. In fact, that is the best if a breakdown happens, which will ignite a stronger rally. So Rashad wants a false breakdown where you go below the trend line and then rock it back up. And that can be very bullish and build higher highs that hold. When you're talking about technical analysis, and Gold and Silver HQ saying, hello, 50, my old friend. Yep, I love that. Make sure you guys are following me on X, previously known as Twitter, INTL Stacker, International When It Fit. James is saying he is so right. All the stars have aligned for the GOAT. So let's see what we got here. Keith Neumeyer, who's a legend of gold and silver world. This silver rally is different. And guys, if you go to this video here, I tell you, I bring all the receipts on why this is different than 1980, why this is different than 2011. I give you guys the information you need, and I make the case for $100 an ounce silver. So make sure you go watch that. But here's what he's saying. The 2011 move was paper-driven, short covering. 2024 move, all physical demand-driven. And that's what my video is about today, premiering after this live stream. Don't miss it. And please, guys, watch it all the way through. It helps the algorithm push out to more people. People waking up to silver as a critical mineral. So true. Happened in the United States, happened in China, it's happening everywhere. This metal is required for everything. We can't travel, drive, or operate homes without it. The structural deficit reality, 5 consecutive years of silver deficits. Total deficit, more than 1 billion ounces of silver over 5 years. Mine production's only about 850 million ounces of years. Consumption's at 1.2 billion. Remember, we hit peak silver production in mines in 2016. So every year since then, we've decreased roughly 1 to 3% in total produced silver, and it's getting worse. And new mines take anywhere from 15 or really 10 to 20 years to come online, guys. These ounces are coming from investment hordes that will end. Why miners can't save us? Takes 3 years to drive tunnels to new discoveries. Mill upgrades require years of work. No major silver mines coming online. We're not going to solve this at $50 silver. New demand drivers emerging. India, 75 million ounces imported recently. Remember, they just passed a rule, a regulation, a law, whatever you want to call it in India, where you can now use silver as collateral for loans. AI data centers, how are you going to build them without silver? Nuclear renaissance, 30-plus plants planned, all require silver. Price prediction outlook, we're destined to go through new highs. Wouldn't be surprised at 60 to 65 by year end. Previous 40 prediction already shattered. This correction is healthy, setting up for the next big leg. And guys, remember, so he made a price prediction of 40 at the beginning of the year. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. I made a price prediction of silver at $50 an ounce and gold at $4,000 an ounce. People thought I was crazy, a loon. They made fun of me, and look at us. We shattered it. My new target for the end of the year is $75 an ounce silver, not a financial advisor, and 5,000 ounce gold. We'll see if we get there. And if we can get there, I believe we can break triple digits in the first quarter of 2026 on silver. This stuff right here, as we continue to go higher this morning on a green candle. And remember, in 1980, if you convert the high to today's dollars, it was over $202 of today's dollars that we already hit. If you convert for 2011, it was already 72. So we're nowhere close. We're nowhere close. So his price prediction by the year end is a little bit more bearish than mine, 60.65. I know mine's bullish, but I was bullish before and we shattered it. So let's see what we could do there. What's your price prediction on gold and silver at the end of the year? Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments right now. Let's see what you guys think. Put it in the chat. Yes, according to one of silver's most respected CEOs, we're in a fundamental different bull market driven by physical consumption that miners simply cannot meet. And the structural deficit means higher prices are inevitable, not speculative. Wow. What a tweet. And we got Make Gold Great saying no mention of silver on the UK's critical mineral strategy. So sad for the UK. They're going to be in more trouble than they already are. As PM Bug is saying, how long will China put up with the from the LBMA? SGE, the Shanghai Gold Exchange, usually issues weekly inventory data on Tuesday afternoon. Unusually, it was disclosed on Monday morning this week. The silver inventory has plummeted to a new low, and based on low trading volume and delivery ratio, it is judged that imports have fallen short of the plans. And the gold to silver ratio, 5-hour, 8-month ascending channel, Rashad is showing a breakout of that was rejected. Remember, we want this to go lower. So the gold to silver ratio is currently at 81.1 troy ounces of silver equal 1 ounce of gold. If this goes lower, that means either gold is getting cheaper, which we all see is not happening, or it means silver is catching up closer to its actual value, what it's worth. So that's what we want as stackers. And ladies, we did it again. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it again. Silver just took out another target, 120 people on the stream. 54 likes, guys. Smash that like button. Let's see if we could get to 75 likes if you guys like my stuff. We're at 5038. Our next target is going to be 5040 right here. Wow. We are taking out targets left and right on gold and silver. Woo! What a crazy time to be alive. Do you guys want to see what's in one of those mega bags? Put a 1 in chat if you want to see what's in one of those mega bags. As we go here. T-Bone, silver down a bit in overnight trading, squeezing toward the apex of the wedge. A few days left before it has to break. After pushing it back down to 50 on Friday, in my opinion, that the bullion banks are out of bullets and regular trading hours. We'll see if silver starts to move up. Let's go. So technical analysis, as it comes closer into here, there's more pressure on it. And you would either see it break higher or break lower. And obviously he and I Minis think it's going to continue to go up over the long term. Okay, I'm going to show you guys very quickly. These two bags were unclaimed in the Mega Gau. So that means I'm going to give it away to you guys. So in this first bag, we've got, woo, this pretty cool 925 silver round. And actually, let me flip this 1 second here. There we go. We got this 925 silver round. Pretty cool. We have got this. We just dumped this out. Ooh! We've got a 1965 Canadian silver set. We've got 40 cents and 90% silver dimes. We've got this non-silver coin, but I thought it was cool. It's Winston Churchill, so threw that in there. Not silver, but just still pretty mega. But the coolest ever, we've got 2 additional ounces of 999 silver. It's the ET collection. That's Elliot kissing ET. We got this one. ET, phone home. In the bike. And look at that. So that is over 1, 2, 3. That is like 4 ounces of silver. Who wants to win that? I'm going to give that away in another bag in a future stream. Not today. I'm going to do another Mega Gau Forgotten Loot. A Mega Gau Forgotten Loot stream coming soon and give all that away. So make sure your notifications are on. Rashad is saying silver still needs to regain its broken support to qualify recent breakout as a false one. Okay, I see that. Yeah, and whoever wins that is also going to become a billionaire. You're going to become a billionaire. $5 billion in Zimbabwe. So that's also in there. And guys, remember, for anyone that's new here, why do we stack physical silver and physical gold? Why do we stack this stuff? Because all around the world, all throughout history, this stuff you see here, this all used to be people's retirement. This used to be worth something. But all throughout history, it has always gone to zero. And it got so bad they went from $1 billion notes, or that was million, to $1 billion notes to $1 trillion notes. And even this Vietnam dong all became absolutely worthless. Worthless. As, forgot to check. And you guys, the first 5 minutes, everyone who said it was going to be green won. Team 1 won in the first 5 minutes of open on silver. Gold was red. But we're okay. We're doing great today, guys. We are just 18 minutes away from the world premiere. Their plan is failing. Silver shortage 2025. Physical silver gone forever. Premiums to explode. Important video. You got to watch it. It's coming in just 18 minutes. As we push higher today in today's silver and gold market, smash that like if you're ready. Let's go. We're at 68 likes. Let's see if we could get 7 more. Get us to 75. I'd really appreciate it. Helps the channel a lot. As Solve Nuttig is saying, silver inventories in Shanghai down 48% in 8 weeks. The Shanghai Gold Exchange just updated their weekly number for the last week. See post from our friend Oriental Ghost below. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Winston Wolf says silver is close to performing the most important breakout in its entire price history. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. We are in wild times. As Rashad is saying, silver is looking pretty good to me, and I expect a breakout higher later this week or in the first few days of December. You guys, I've already decorated for Christmas. Mrs. IS had me up on a ladder, put up lights. Put a 1 in chat if you're already decorating. Put a 2 in chat if you think people decorating before Thanksgiving is ridiculous. Okay, Richard is saying gold and silver price prediction by 3/31/2025. I think he had the wrong date in there. My prediction by the end of the year, not a financial advisor, $75 silver, 5,000 gold. Let's go. I am a billionaire, IS. It received my package. It was mega awesome. Good job. Elder Joshua Hetrick won a little giveaway I did in the War Room. Channel members, if you're a channel member, not only do you get cool emojis, you gotta come to the War Room, and what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Or so I'm told. But thank you to all the channel members for your support. You help me to do what I do around the world on our adventures in gold and silver. And you guys, I recently did the Mega Gau giveaway. I gave away nearly 70 ounces of silver. The first 1,000 people to enter that get a free 1/2 Goldback. If you entered my Mega Gau and you have not claimed your 1/2 Goldback, email me immediately at internationalstacker@gmail.com so you could claim your 1/2 Goldback and get your free gold. But only if you entered the Mega Gau. Let me know. Email me internationalstacker@gmail.com. This is your last chance to claim that Goldback. Then it's closed forever. As I take another sip of the world famous Mrs. International Stacker coffee. And guys, we're at 39,954 subscribers. We're only 46 away from 40K. Let's see if we can get there. And we're just 15 minutes away from the big premiere of Their Plan is Failing. Silver Shortage 2025. Physical gone forever. Premiums to explode. Are you excited? Are you guys all excited about the gold to silver price action? What's going on? Put a 3 in chat. If you're brand new here and you're brand new to gold and silver, put a 4 in chat. Let's see how many brand new people we got. Here's the tweet I put out. Common coins and economic warning signs. What you need to know. Found that on my X. That was at the Flagstaff LCS. Also, this is on my X account. And we got Rashad. Gold's possible price action over the coming weeks. It could form another run-up early December and a sell-off once again to the mid-month, frustrating investors before it takes off into the real, before it takes off for real into the end of the year. So that's what Rashad is saying it might do. One of our favorite technical analysts. As we're on a green candle with silver, the regular trading day has been open for 16 minutes. It opens at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember, the COMEX trades 24 hours a day except for a break from 5 to 6, about 45 minutes. It closes Friday. I will be doing a live stream at market close. It closes at 5, so I'll probably be live Friday at 4. And then it opens 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday nights. And last night when that opened, whoop, we saw it shoot higher to about a high of about $50.40, and that's our next target. We'll see if we could get there in the next 13 minutes. In gold too, we've taken out multiple targets. It's headed for 4,100. If we could finish the day, my target for today, end of day, I would love for silver to finish at $40 so I could buy a bunch more. But with that being said, my target for today with silver, we're going to go with, we'll make no, that's a horrible color. We'll make bright blue the target. 50-50 is my target for silver today. I would love 4,100 to be the target for gold, positive target. So we'll see if we can get there on both. What do you guys think? If you got questions, please drop them in chat. Put at International Stacker so it pops out to me. I'll be happy to answer them. Twisted Tennessee, you're not brand new. We've got 112 people on, 76 likes, only 24 more left to 100. Let's see if we can get there, guys. I appreciate your support. Liking the video or anything not only helps the channel immensely. Thank you so much for almost to 40,000 subscribers. But you are literally the gold and silver Paul Revere riding the streets of the internet, warning about the big bankers and helping people to prepare and protect themselves. And the more of us together holding the line, holding on for dear life, the harder it is to keep the suppression of gold and silver going, which has been happening for more than 40 years, as you can see by all these record fines, billions of dollars paid by the big bankers. But we're at a point right now in history where that's not working anymore, as Barbara, a Mega Gau winner, is saying, hit that like button. Thank you so much, Barbara. We're 2 away from 80. I think we can get there. COMEX hours on Thanksgiving. Let's see. What are the COMEX hours on Thanksgiving? Let's see here. And guys, don't forget, we got deliveries into November 27th for COMEX. Okay, I think it's closed during the day, but the normal after-hour markets are going. So I think the 8:30 to 5 or 4 it's closed. I could be wrong. I'd have to do some more research on that. Is the COMEX open? I don't think it is. I just asked AI, and it says COMEX hours on Thanksgiving. Globex closed. Clearport normal schedule. So I think from 8:30 to 4 is closed, but the after hours I think is going. We've got Shreem PM saying, thank you, IS, for all your efforts, the Mega Gau and guiding newbies. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words, and thank you for joining me on this journey around the world on gold and silver, guys. We've been all over the place together, and we're going to continue, and it's only going to get more mega, more fun. As we're just 10 minutes away from the big video premiere, put a 1 in chat if you want to go to the premiere now. Put a 2 in chat if you want to wait 10 minutes and just watch the charts for another 10 minutes. Let's see what you guys think. While you guys are saying that, we got Jesse Colombo saying, gold surge over the past year has featured multiple triangle patterns, and now another one is forming. If the breakout's successful, it projects a rally to 5,200 for gold and 72 for silver. Wow. That could be epic. That could be epic. Okay, we're gonna... Oh, geez, I forgot. What was 2? 2 is going another 10 minutes. Yeah, 2 is going another 10 minutes. Yeah, poor Franny. So for those who don't know, in the UK, they've got something called a VAT, a value added tax, and that's an extra 20% that's added in the UK and the EU on silver, unless you buy it privately, right? But that's not on gold. So in the UK, EU, you've got a lot of gold stackers. Silver Brewer, If you did not claim your 1/2 Goldback, if you entered the Mega Gau and did not claim it, email me ASAP at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I can still get you in, but this is your last day to claim it. If you have not claimed your 1/2 Goldback for entering the Mega Gau, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. We need confirmation email to say your 1/2 Goldback claim has been accepted or something. You entered the form, you guys. I'm organizing this. You're good. If you entered in the Google form that I sent out an email, you are good. You are 100% good. Over 800. Let's see how many people have claimed. I have the addresses for 821 people. 821 people are confirmed. If you entered your address in the Google form, you are good to go. I sent that link out multiple times. If you have no idea what I'm talking about or you missed it, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I'll get you included. Yep, Bjorn is great. Everyone's good. I got no email, I don't think. Email me, Joe. internationalstacker@gmail.com. I can send you the link. You can still enter. Did I claim it? Joe, just email me. Email me, Joe. I'll help you. No worries. No worries. Don't panic, everybody. Don't panic. It's confirmed, Jonathan Herbert. I have no infrastructure to send out. I tried to send emails to everybody, and like Google was stopping me. Then I used a professional delivery service. Then it was just going to your guys' spam. You're good. If you entered it in the Google form, you are 100% good. Do not panic. Nope, don't panic. We're at 105 people on, 82 likes, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome to the stream. Smash that like button. 7 more minutes of watching the market, and then we're going to the Silver Shores 2025 Physical Gone Forever. Premiums to explode. Their plan is filling. It's a great video. I think you guys are going to like it. You filled it out, Lovely Chaos. You're good. I guarantee you're good. If you guys want to check, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com and I'll double check. But if you filled out the Google form, you are 100% good. It is impeccable. Your emergency management skills were put to the test in the Mega Gau. That is true, Shreem. That is true. It was crazy. How many ounces in a kilo a bar? 32.14 ounces. Right? KG2. 32.15 ounces in a kilo of silver. Ladies and gentlemen, just 5 minutes left till the big reveal. As gold and silver are moving sideways, but we are 18 cents higher on silver than close on Friday, which is very bullish. And we're a handful of dollars up in gold as well. So things are looking great there. As I take another sip of Mrs. International Stackers coffee. Woo! Rat Stacker was great. You guys, who liked Rat Stacker playing the Goblin in the Mega Gau? What did you guys think of Rat Stacker? That was her first time at being the Goblin. The Goblin used to be my nephew, but he got older, graduated, went off to college. So I've got a new Goblin now. It's the Rat Stacker. Silver Maple's $1 over spot, a good deal. Yeah, that's a good deal, Aaron. That's a good deal. Hopefully they're 2019 or after because they fixed the milk spotting problem. So see if they're 2019 or after so they're not milk spotted. Lovely Chaos saying Rat Stacker rocked. Let's go Silver saying hubby and wifey. And L. Joshua Hetrick saying I need that Mrs. International Stacker coffee. Rat Stacker did a good job, says Bjorn. Sending her something, says Barbara. That's awesome, Barbara. If you guys want to send something to the channel or something to Rat Stacker, if you want to send your Gotax, it's kind of an inside joke for the channel. Gotax. To Rat Stacker. Every description has my P.O. box in it, so just send it there. Just address it to Rat Stacker. I'll make sure she gets it. Coins making sense. Message sense. Cannot recall if I responded. Just send me another email, Coins. Bring it to the top of my email so I can see what you're talking. I'm not sure what you're talking about, but I'll help you with whatever it is. Do not worry. What blend is the coffee? It's international. It's Mrs. IS's famous blend. I can't give out the secrets. you know, Starbucks has been on us. Starbucks is on us, just trying to get Mrs. International Stackers coffee blend, but we're not going to let it happen. I want to win the silver. Time now. That's funny. He'll be. You guys, 2 mega bags did not get claimed. One of them had the ET silver in it, so I'm going to be giving those out here in the not too distant future. Again, everything else got claimed. The 18.7 troy ounce bar got claimed, like with a couple hours to go before I was going to draw someone else. So that's crazy. Sean47 saying a rat stacker made a very convincing Goblin. I was completely fooled. I thought you'd captured the real Goblin. That's awesome, Sean47. Thank you for that. How do you win? I'll just do a future live stream. I'll call it the Mega Gau makeup or something, and you got to be live to win. And there, I'll give you directions. It will be fun. Goblin gets the bag, says the Fat Ginger. Love it. The Goblin was killing it. And the Goblin brought out her rats at the end there. E.T. phone home, says Sublime Mad Dog. I'll gladly take the leftovers, says Lovely Candle. Guys, we got 112 people on, 87 likes. Smash the like button, hit, tap it, headbutt it, run out, kiss it, kick it, kiss it. Do whatever you got to do to it to make it change. We're at 87, only 13 away from 100. And just 2 minutes away, we're going to the world premiere of Silver Shortage 2025. Physical gone forever. Premiums to explode. Their plan is failing. It's going to be mega. It's going to be mega. I'm not sure if I'm going to stream Market Close today. I'll see later what the price action is looking like. My next actual live stream is scheduled for Friday at Market Close, so 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 5 on Friday. But I'll stream anywhere in between if things get crazy or frosty or buck wild or you guys need information. So I'll let you guys know. As Alex saying, silver mode. Did you guys like the different modes the Goblin would go in and she changed her mask colors? Did you guys like that? We are at 90 likes, 10 from 100. We're just a minute away, 1 minute away from the world premiere. Who is ready for the world premiere? Who is ready? We're going here shortly. Yes, yes, yes. Members, there's not a war room this morning. We're going to the world premiere. I'm going to shift everyone here automatically to the world premiere of the video. In just 40 seconds. And if you don't, it should load you within like 10 or 15 seconds and take you there. It's going to be epic. But if not, you can click on my channel and find it. It's going to be epic. It's going to be mega. And please watch it all the way through. Leave a comment on it. It's going to be pretty good. And we're going in just 20 seconds. Welcome everyone to the stream. Gold and silver are pushing higher. We're up 18 cents since market close on silver on Friday. Yeah, everyone have a great weekend if I don't stream again a week. A great Thanksgiving week. Happy Thanksgiving to all the American subscribers. Sorry to all the British watchers. No hard feelings. Okay, guys, and we're going to go to the stream here in 10 seconds. Everyone, I'll see you in the stream in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch the world premiere starting right now.